Stability is not the finish line. It is simply your starting point. Alam mo kung bakit stuck ka sa buhay? Real talk lang ha. Kasi watcher ka lang eh. Nanonood, nagsuscroll, nagko-comment, but you're not in the game. Wala kang nilalaro, wala kang ipinaglalaban. Puro ka keyboard warrior eh. That's why you're stuck. Now, some of you may not be stuck. Some of you are struggling. Bakit? Because you're just waiting. Lagi kang naghihintay. Naghihintay ng instruction, naghihintay ng permission, naghihintay ng motivation. Here's the truth. The world will not wait for you. Hindi pwedeng gusto mo lagi you're spoon-fed. Hindi pwedeng ayaw mo mag-take ng initiative. Hindi pwedeng lagi mo nalang sasabihin next time. Laging may excuse. The goal really, at the very least, is to be stable. At kung ikaw stable ka, congratulations. Because you're on the field. Your skin is in the game of life. Gumagalaw ka, you're taking action. May ginagawa ka, nagkakaresulta ka kahit papano. Pero, ito lamang ay payong kaibigan. Stability is not the finish line. It is simply your starting point. Maganda na nandyan ka na, pero huwag kang tumigil. Kasi if ang goal mo talaga ay yung mga pangarap mo, yung success na gusto mong makamit, this is the way to go. Winning. It's not just about effort anymore. It's about creating results. Bakit? Kasi sa totoo lang, di ba? Sa tunay na mundo, effort without results is just activity. At walang reward sa activity. Kita mo naman eh, di ba? Ang pinapansin dito, impact and how you get to achieve the result. Kaya kung sawang-sawa ka na maging stuck, get in the game. Bumangon ka na dyan. Kumilos, magpakita, at ipanalo mo ang game called life.